Okay, so now that we know how much iron is in hematite, we need to know how much of our ore body is hematite. So the way we're going to find that out is we are going to go and drill exploratory boreholes. So in this lesson, we're going to assume that your roll of pennies represents our borehole. And what we find when we pull out the material that we've extracted from the earth through the borehole is a cylindrical rod of rock. And we take that and decide how much of that rock, what percentage of it, contains the mineral that we're looking for. In this particular example, we can see that the core sample is for gold. And you can see that there are gold crystals kind of scattered throughout this sample. Usually that's not the case. Usually what you have is a very homogeneous rock, such as this rock that's shown for gold again. And it's got a very consistent amount of whatever the ore material is. On kind of an interesting note, this particular rock has, as it shows there, has 0.116 ounces per ton. So we have to remove a ton of rock to get just over a tenth of an ounce of gold. On average, that's a little low. On average, you usually get 4 to 6 grams. Cell phones, on the other hand, for a ton of cell phones, you can get 280 grams of gold. I wouldn't try doing that at home because it takes some mean chemicals to get the stuff out. But it's interesting to think of how much gold we're wasting and how much material, how much waste we go through to get that little bit of gold out from virgin rock.